Woo! Guys, what's it time for?
It's bug hunting time!
Yay! What kind of bugs do you think you'd want to find, though?
Grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers?
And this is just for bugs that we don't know.
Okay, different bugs that you don't know that we'd have to identify.
Yeah.
We have an app on the phone called the Seek app, and we can use it to identify any bugs that we don't recognize. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Guys, what did we find?
We found a big crawly wally bug.
Let's take a close look at this guy.
He's creepy. He's super long.
Oh my goodness, you know what? We're going to have to look up what kind of bug this is.
He's so creepy. He has red legs.
Guys, we just looked it up on the Seek app. What is it?
It's a round-backed millipede.
Yeah, a millipede. So a milla is like 1,000, so it's got 1,000 legs, right?
Yeah.
I don't think I've ever seen one this big before.
Remember you said it had milk?
Yeah, but it's not the kind of milk that you drink, right? No. Oh, does anyone know what this plant is called?
Yeah, it's called milkweed.
It's called milkweed?
Yeah, because it spits out a milk that butterflies like eat.
Oh, you know so much, smart boy. Oh,
Let me show you.
you're going to show me? Okay.
See? The milk?
Oh, wow. That almost looks like glue, doesn't it?
Yeah, it kind of looks like glue. It actually
Oh,
is
wow,
glue.
it's dripping.
If it sticks to
Okay,
your hand, it
careful,
really
don't let it
sticks.
stick onto your hand.
Can you take this out?
Those pods?
Yeah.
You probably could just take one off and open it up.
You almost got a grasshopper.
Xavi did?
Yeah.
Oh. Was there a grasshopper on there, Xavi?
Saw one.
Are they usually in the plants and the bushes, or
Yeah.
are they easier to find when they're on the ground?
They're easier to find when they're on the ground because they kind of blend in.
Okay.
Can you open it?
Have you ever opened one of those pods before, Xavi?
Yeah.
What's inside the pods?
No, ooh, kind of like feathers, but not for plants.
Oh my goodness, Alexia, we found a bug! Yay! It's actually on your head. We're going to have to use the app to identify it. Don't move. Let's see if we can identify it.
What is it, Mommy?
Well, the app says that it is a snout beetle.
Oh,
It was really cute, wasn't it?
yeah.
I can't believe we found a bug in your hair. That's funny.
Yeah. I can open this up.
Okay, go ahead. Let's see what's inside these pods. Oh, wow. Has light pink seeds inside.
Yeah.
Really neat.
I found a dragonfly.
Wow, you're so good at bug hunting, Alexia. Let's see if we can get a picture of this dragonfly. Wow. There are so many bugs. I don't think you're going to... Ah! There, it goes. Oh, it flew away. Oh my goodness, Davy, what did you find?
A grasshopper.
A grasshopper! Oh, wow. It moves pretty fast. I'm surprised you caught it. It's so fast.
Oh my god. You caught one?
Yeah. Oh my goodness, I don't know if I can catch that before it hops. Oh!
Got one.
There it is. Oh, there it is. There are tons of them. Tons of them hopping around. I'll follow you. You guys are fast! Whoa! Oh my goodness! How am I gonna keep up? Did you see an apple? Oh yeah, you're right. There's an apple in that tree. Good eyes, Avie. Very good eyes.
Did we eat one?
Yeah. Wow, nice.
Is there anything in it?
How does it taste?
Oh, it's red sweet and yummy.
Really sweet and yummy? Juicy? Is it juicy, Alexia?
Tastes like a normal apple.
Of course. Even better because it's fresh from the tree.
Yeah.
So it's packed full of nutrients because you just picked it.
Yeah.
Hasn't lost its nutrients.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, good eyes, Avie. Great find.
Another apple.
Another apple. Let's see. Oh, maybe I can try that. Thanks, babe. Oh, cool. Oh, my own little apple with a leaf on it, too. I will have to try that. Thank you, Xavi. Oh, guys. You guys found some bumblebees on these goldenrods.
Hello, Bumblebee.
Oh, they're so cute. Look at them, hard at work as always.
Maybe they're babies.
I don't know, but what are they doing, guys?
They're
What are-
collecting nectar.
Yeah, they are. They're collecting nectar.
Yeah.
Wow, what's this, guys? Look at these cascades. Ah! Gotta be careful. Whoa. That's a really, really fast-flowing cascade, eh?
Yeah.
Look, Alexia, it's flooding that entire area over there.
Yeah.
Davy, do you see how it's flooding that whole area?
Look at the river over there.
Oh, wow, it's created a river?
Yeah. Spider web.
Another giant spider web?
Yeah.
Where, Alexia, where?
There.
Over there?
Yeah.
Whoa, you're right. Another gigantic spider web. Wow. Finding a lot of cool stuff. Woohoo! Or guys, do you think that might be a caterpillar pod?
Maybe.
It's possible, right? Oh, Xavier, what did you find here?
I found tomatoes. Magic tomatoes.
Magic tomatoes. Xavier, should we use the Seek app to see what those are?
Yeah, let's use the sea cat.
Okay. Because I know you'd like them to be magic tomatoes, but...
It up on the sea cat, and it's bitter, sweet nightshade.
Wow, neat.
Look, I found a caterpillar.
Wow, where? Let's have a look. Oh, where is it? Oh, there it is. It's black and brown. Cute! So cute!
Okay,
Ah,
take it.
how does it feel, Xavier?
Fuzzy.
Fuzzy. Alexia, are you giving the caterpillar some food?
Yeah.
Oh, doesn't seem to want that kind of food. I know they usually like green leaves.
Yeah. Oh, it's eating that.
Oh,
I think it was like this. Huh? It really likes it. Wait.
oh, you know what I think it's trying to do, guys? Xavier, if you move aside, I think it's trying to move back to the grassy environment. It likes the grassy environment, guys. We should let it go back there.
Yeah, let's see if it goes there.
I think
Oh,
that
it's
too.
eating. Is it eating
It's just climbing over top.
No. We're putting obstacles for it.
It's getting some exercise. Now it's going back to its natural habitat. It loves it in there. There it goes. Putting it back on the goldenrod, Davy?
Yep.
Good idea.
Bye.
There you go. Goodbye.
Maybe the caterpillar.
Let's follow Alexia. She's marching. Here we go bug hunting. Here we go bug hunting. Here we go bug hunting. As she marches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hop. 2, 3, 4. Hop. 2, 3, 4.
This snail is a new snail because it still has lines in the inside.
Oh, it was a new snail, but where's the snail?
It's
How come there
gone.
isn't a snail in
It left it
Now, why would a snail leave its shell?
to get another shell.
Another shell, or maybe it was eaten.
Maybe.
Perhaps. Oh, do. Guys, do you want to see how fast you can run?
Yeah.
Okay, Alexia, you go first.
Okay.
Go ahead, run out. Wow! It says that she ran 14 kilometers an hour. Amazing, Alexia, good job. Davey, let's see how fast you can run. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Wow! He got all the way up to 21 kilometers an hour. Woo!
Where'd you?
What's all this screaming about?
A spider.
Oh my goodness!
Catch it.
Oh my goodness!
Woo!
Oh, it's kind of hard to see.
I see that. Woo!
Oh my goodness! Wow, nice! Wow. I didn't even see that. It's really camouflaged well in there, and it moves so fast.
Oh my gosh.
Let's let it go back home.
It's going
We have found
all the way
so many
across
bugs
the
today,
road.
guys.
And the car.
Are you going to be a bat?
Yep.
Show us how you can be a bat.
Bat time.
Whoa! Hello, Mr. Bat!
Look, 2 ladybugs.
Oh, yes, Alexia. Wow.
Thanks for coming on our bug hunts. Check out our other cool videos and please remember to like and subscribe.